Hello guys, this is Jack of all trades. Some times ago I visited the workshop of Tank Hunter. He is preparing his Tuk 3 for the 2019 event season. The first part of the video is me in the grey starting up his tank with the crank starter. Sorry for the bad angle of the video. As you can see, it takes quite some effort to hand crank it. At the moment I visited the workshop, they just finished checking out the engine for minor defects from last events, and currently starting it and checking if everything works as it should be. As you can hear, it runs perfectly. The Tank Hunter also has his own channel, which you can find in the description below. And of course, if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel.